With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is the angle between the normals of ellipse. Okay, normals of this ellipse 4x square plus y square equals to 5 at the intersection of what? Okay, so at the intersection of 2x plus y equals to 3. This is the line equation, and the ellipse is what? And the ellipse is okay. So what we have to do now? So basically, what we have to do according to the question, we have to find the angle between the normals of the ellipse we are drawing from this ellipse and the intersection of the line, this one and the ellipse here. Basically, we have. So first of all, this is what my solution part here, right? So I can say that what the given conditions of on this question. So it's given to me line equation. So line equation is basically y equals to, sorry, not y equals to, I can write this equation in terms of first one I should write the same as it is. So this is what 2x plus y equals to 3. So also I can say that the equation will be what this will become, this can be done as y equal, this is equals to what 3 minus 3 minus of 2x. Okay, another equation of ellipse. So ellipse equation is basically what this is given to me as 4x square plus of what y square and equals to what 5, right? This is the equation of ellipse given to me. Now what we have to do, we have to find the intersection points, because they say that in the question we have to find the intersection, because at the intersection of ellipse and line. So first one is what, first one it, if I have to compute the values here, so y is basically what 3 minus 2x. Okay, so in that case also I can say that my x value will be what, so from this x value will become 3 minus y divided by 2. So if I put the value here in this equation, let's suppose in the equation 1, so this will become what 4. What is the value of x? So x is what 3 minus y by 2 whole square. Okay, and plus of what y square equals to what 5 here I have. Okay, now substituting this value, so this will give me 4. So 3 minus y square will be what 3 minus y whole square. So I can say that 3 minus y whole square and divide by 4, right? Why divide by 4? Because you guys can clearly see this is here I have what 2 under in the denominator section part, there's a 2, so the 2 square will be what 4. So plus of what y square and equals to 5. So now 4 and 4 cancel out. Now if I expand this using the formula of a minus b whole square, this will give me what 9 plus y square minus of what 3 into 2 into 6, so y, and plus of what y square, this is equals to what y. Okay, sorry, this is equals to 5. So this will become now 2y square, exactly 2y square, and 9 minus 5 will be what 4 and 4. So before writing 4, so minus 6y, and here I have plus of 4 equals to 0. Okay, so from this equation I can write this equation as what, taking 2 common, so y square minus 3y plus of 2 equals to 0, right? Simple. Now I can write this in the format of middle term splitting. So this will become y square minus of what 2y minus of y and plus of 2 equals to 0. So what I can do, this equation is easy. So if I take y common, so y minus 2 here I have, and minus taking common minus 1, so this will become y minus of 2 equals to 0. So from this I'm going to have two solutions for y. So I will have y minus 2 and y minus of 1 equals to what 0. So from this I have two values of y. Okay, so first value of y will be what 2, and another value will be what 1. So y values we have 2 and 1. So now if I have to find the value of x, so in that case first one, let's suppose y is 1. What is the value of x? So from this x is what 3 minus y by 2. So as x is 3 minus y by 2. Okay, so from that one this will become 3 minus 1 by 2, and this will give me what, this will give me 2 by 2. Okay, so this will become 1. So x will be what 1 when y is what 1. Now okay, now if I put the value of what y as 2, okay, so this will become what now, this will become x equals to 3 minus y by 2 again first one. So this will become 3 minus, okay, so this will become 2 by 2. So from this we are going to receive the value of x as what, x will be my 1 by 2. Okay, so now I have how many points? So I have 2 points. So let's name them. The point P is what 1 comma 1. Okay, and another point is what, Q point. Q point is what 1 by 2 comma of what 2. So these are my intersecting points, or we can say that these are what my intersecting points. So I can write intersecting points. These are what my intersecting points. Okay guys, so now I have P and Q. Now what I have to do, it says that first one we have to find the angle of the normals. Okay, so first one what we have to do, we have to find the angle of normals, or we can say slope of normals to find the angle. So first I can say what is the equation of tangent at these points. So if I have to find the equation of tangents, okay, equation of what, tangents at these points, at what, these points. First one, the given equation of ellipse is what? So given equation of ellipse is this one here I have. Okay, 4x square plus y square equals to 5. Okay, so from this if I have to form the equation of tangent, which is a general case, from equation number 1, okay, equation of tangent, so my t1 tangent is equals to what, this will become 4x x1, okay, 4x x1 and plus of what, or I can directly write here that this will, for now only t, equation 4x x1, okay guys, plus of what, plus of my y1, what, my y1, this should be equals to, this should be equals to my 5. This is the general equation of tangent. In this case we are going to receive, for now we have to find around these points P, 1, 1 and 1, 2. So first one what I can do, right? I can write here that around the point, which one? Around the point 1 by 2 and 2. Okay, for the point Q. So in that case, okay, so in that case my tangent equation will become T1 will be what? This will become 4x. X1 value is basically 1 by 2. So 4 into x into 1 by 2 here, plus of what? Y into y1 is what? 2. Y1 is 2 and this is equals to what? 5. Okay guys. So this will become now, again clearly you guys can see this 2. So this will become 2x plus 2y equals to what? 5. Okay. So now I can write this equation in the format of what? Y equals to mx plus c. So this will become what? This will become y equals to, I can write here that the equation will be what? This will become minus of x. Okay, minus of x and plus of what? Plus of 5 by 2. When the equation in the format of y equals to mx plus c, m is what? Coefficient part of x. So this is the slope here. So now for this equation of tangent, my slope will be what? My m1 value will be minus of 1. Okay guys. So now if I have to do what? I have to find the equation of tangent around point P, which is what? 1 comma 1. Okay. So in that case, T2 will become what? So T2 will be, okay, so T2 will be 4 dot x dot 1. Okay, plus of what? Y dot 1 equals to 5. So from this 4x, okay guys, and plus of what? Y equals to what? 5. Again I have to write this equation in the format of y equals to mx plus c. So this will become y equals to minus 1 by 4. Okay, y equals to what? Not minus 1 by 4. I can directly write here that this part can directly done as what? Y equals to not minus 1 by 4, y equals to only minus of 4, right? Because here we are not dividing. Minus of 4x plus of what? 5. So in that case, what is the value of the slope of this tangent? So my m2 value will be minus of 4, the coefficient of x. Now these are the slope of tangents, and what we have to do? We have to find the slope of normal. First of all, we know that slope of tangent and slope of normal product is what? Minus of 1. As we know that slope of tangent is slope of what? Tangent always always product of what? Slope of normal. Okay guys, the slope of normal is always equals to minus of 1. As the product are always equals to minus 1, so in that case my m1 dash, so my m1 dash, or we can say m1 into m1 dash, first one is minus 1. So what is the value here? Minus 1. m1 is basically minus 1, so minus 1 into m1 dash equals to minus 1. So this m1 dash will be equals to what? 1. So this is the slope of normal here. I have first one and another from this point Q. So this will become what? M2 into m2 dash equals to what? This is slope is basically again equals to minus 1. And what is the value of m2? m2 is minus 4. So minus 4 into m2 dash equals to my minus of 1. So from this I can say that m2 dash equals to what? Exactly, this is my equals to 1 by 4. Okay, now I have these two slopes of normals, right? What we have to do now, we have to find the angle now, the angle of intersection. So if theta, okay guys, so if theta is the angle between them, okay, so this will become what? Between them. According to the two slope values, how to find the angle? You guys very well know exactly. Tan theta, my tan theta always equals to what? This is always equals to mod, within the mods, the slope, first slope, or we can say m1 dash minus of what? My m2 dash, and divide by what? Divide by 1 plus m1 dash m2. m1 dash m2 dash. Okay, this is general formula, and these are always within the mods, because theta can never be negative, tan theta can never be negative. So this will give me what? 1 minus 1 by 4 divided by 1 plus 1 here I have, and 1 by 4, right? These are the values here I have. So from this value we are going to receive is what? This value will be, okay guys, if I take the LCM here, so this will become 4 minus 1, this will be 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 again, and this will be what? 5 by 4, so 5 by 4, 4 cancel out. So I'm going to receive the value of tan theta. Tan theta is what? 3 by 5. Now if I have to find the value of theta, which is the angle here, okay, so theta value will be what? Tan inverse of my 3 by 5. So according to the question here, I have the value of theta we are looking for, or the angle, is basically coming out as what? Tan inverse of my 3 by 5. This is the answer we are looking for. Also, if I go to the top now, which option is correct according to you guys? Exactly, my option number A is the correct option we are looking for.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.